Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit, a memory upgrade aimed at boosting the performance of NAS devices and compatible DDR4 ECC unbuffered motherboards. This kit comes as a 2x32GB configuration, running at a speed of 3,200 MHz with a PC4-25600 rating. It operates at a standard 1.2V and features a CL22 latency, all packed into a 260-pin SODIMM form factor. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in both standard and ECC memory, targeting users who need reliable and high-performance upgrades for their systems. The promise is simple: enhanced performance through a straightforward memory upgrade. For many, RAM upgrades are the easiest and most cost-effective way to breathe new life into a computer or server, and NEMIX RAM aims to deliver on that promise. Installation is generally user-friendly, but as always, consulting the owner's manual for specific instructions is crucial. NEMIX RAM emphasizes its commitment to quality, backing its products with a lifetime replacement warranty and a support team ready to assist with any questions. The key selling points here are the capacity, speed, and ECC functionality. 64GB is a substantial amount of RAM, suitable for demanding tasks like virtualization, large databases, or running multiple applications simultaneously. The 3,200 MHz speed ensures quick data access, while the ECC, error-correcting code, feature is particularly important for servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects errors that can occur during data processing, preventing crashes and ensuring stability. This NEMIX RAM kit is designed for NAS storage devices and DDR4 ECC unbuffered motherboards. This means it's not your typical desktop RAM. It's specifically engineered for systems that require the added reliability of ECC memory. If you're building a server, workstation, or a high-performance NAS, this is the kind of memory you should be considering. The 2RX8 configuration refers to the memory's organization, with 2 ranks of 8 chips. This can impact performance depending on the system's memory controller, but generally, it's a common and well-supported configuration. The 1.2V operating voltage is standard for DDR4 SODIMM, ensuring compatibility and energy efficiency. The CL22 latency is a measure of the delay in clock cycles between a command and the availability of data. Lower latency is generally better, but it's important to consider the overall speed and capacity as well. In this case, the 3,200 MHz speed helps to offset the relatively higher latency. NEMIX RAM aims to provide a hassle-free upgrade experience, and the lifetime replacement warranty offers peace of mind. The company's focus on enterprise storage RAM and ECC memory suggests a commitment to quality and reliability. If you're looking to maximize the performance and stability of your NAS or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 ECC SODIMM kit is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.